Hi everyone. Are you over 60 and tired of spending money on creams that don't work for your dry, aging skin? Are you feeling tired or looking older than you'd like? Today I'm sharing a natural drink that revitalized my family at 65. It's called the Golden Glow Elixir. This simple recipe will help your skin look healthier, reduce wrinkles, and give you more energy to enjoy your day. No complicated routines needed, just a few ingredients from your kitchen. Stick with me to discover how this easy-to-make drink can be your secret to feeling vibrant and looking great at any age. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more senior-friendly health tips. So, why should you choose the Golden Glow Elixir over just relying on creams? As we get older, our skin changes. It becomes drier, thinner, and less able to absorb the nutrients from topical products like expensive creams. This is because our skin's natural barrier weakens with age, making it harder for those pricey lotions to penetrate deeply and deliver results. My mom tried countless anti-aging creams, but her skin stayed dull and wrinkled because the effectiveness just wasn't there for her. Now, I'm not saying the beauty industry doesn't have its place. Some creams can help with surface hydration or protection. But here's the secret. The best results come when you combine care from the inside and outside. That's where this elixir shines. By nourishing your body with natural ingredients, you support collagen production, improve blood flow, and flush out toxins, things creams alone can't do. This drink works from within to hydrate your skin, reduce inflammation, and give you that youthful glow, while you can still use a gentle cream for extra moisture if you like. It's a win-win. My mom started this routine, and after a month, her skin looked brighter and she felt more confident. Let's explore how this elixir can transform your skin too. Now let's get to the heart of this, making the Golden Glow Elixir and understanding its amazing benefits. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of water, 1/4 of a beet, 1/2 a carrot, 1 slice of cucumber, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of honey. These ingredients are easy to find at your local grocery store, and they pack a powerful punch for your skin and health. First, let's talk about the benefits. Beets are rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, helping to reduce wrinkles and sagging skin. Perfect for us over 60. They also purify your blood, giving your complexion a natural shine. Carrots bring a boost of vitamin A and potassium, hydrating your skin and fading scars or dark spots for that soft, plump look. Cucumbers add silica, a mineral that enhances skin elasticity, tackling that looseness we often notice with age. Lemon juice, with its high vitamin C content, brightens dark spots, reduces puffiness, and stimulates collagen production, the key to firm, healthy skin. Finally, honey soothes inflammation and adds a natural sweetness, supporting your skin's healing process. But it's not just about your skin. This elixir supports your liver by flushing out toxins, improves digestion, and even helps lower bad cholesterol. My mom noticed her energy levels soar, her joints felt looser, and her skin glowed after just 2 weeks. To make it, peel and chop the beeten carrot into small pieces for easier blending. Add them to your blender with 1 cup of water, toss in the cucumber slice, squeeze in half a lemon, and add a teaspoon of honey. Blend on high for 30 seconds until smooth. The result? A vibrant red-orange drink that tastes delicious and works wonders. You can add ice for a refreshing twist or freeze it into cubes for later. So how often should you drink this Golden Glow Elixir? And when's the best time? For the best results, I recommend enjoying this drink once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Drinking it first thing helps your body absorb all those nutrients to kickstart your digestion and give your skin a bright boost throughout the day. My mom likes to sip it while watching her morning news. It's become part of her routine. If mornings don't work for you, you can have it as an afternoon pick-me-up or even in the evening, about 2 to 3 hours before bed, to support overnight skin repair. Aim for consistency. Try it daily for at least 2 weeks to see noticeable changes, like smoother skin or reduced puffiness. You can adjust the amount based on your preference. Start with half a glass if you're new to it, and work up to a full cup. The key is to make it enjoyable and fit it into your lifestyle. My mom saw her dark spots fade and her energy improve after 14 days of drinking it every morning. Give it a try and see how it fits into your day. You might just love the ritual as much as the results. Before you start blending, let's talk about some important safety notes to keep this elixir safe and effective. First, always choose fresh vegetables and fruits for the best quality and nutrient content. Buy from trusted sources like local farmers markets or reputable grocery stores to avoid produce with unknown origins that might contain pesticides or harmful chemicals. To ensure they're clean, soak your beet, carrot, and cucumber in a mix of water with a teaspoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of salt for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This helps remove any residues. Proper cleaning is key, especially for us over 60, to protect our health. Use a high-speed blender to avoid any chunks that might be hard to digest, and make sure all tools are clean too. This step ensures you're getting the purest, safest drink possible. My mom always double-checks her produce, and it's given her peace of mind while enjoying this elixir. Before you dive into this Golden Glow Elixir, let's cover some important reminders, especially for those with health conditions. Always prioritize fresh, safe ingredients, as we discussed. But if you have specific needs, here are some substitutions. If you have digestive issues or a sensitive stomach, you might want to skip the lemon to avoid irritation. Try adding a slice of apple instead for a gentle sweetness and hydration. For people with diabetes, honey might raise blood sugar, so replace it with a pinch of cinnamon, which also has anti-inflammatory benefits and won't spike glucose levels. These changes keep the elixir safe and tailored to you. If you have any underlying health conditions, like kidney issues, allergies, or chronic diseases, please consult your doctor before trying any new diet or recipe, including this one. My mom checked with her doctor first, and it gave her confidence to start. Safety is our priority, so listen to your body and get professional advice if needed. Now, are you ready to glow? Join the 7-Day Glow Challenge. Drink this elixir daily and share your results below. I can't wait to hear how it works for you. Now that you've discovered the secret to glowing skin from the inside with our Golden Glow Elixir, let's talk about how to enhance those results from the outside without starting from scratch. If you've already found a dermatologist or an anti-aging cream that works for you, don't stop using it. That's fantastic. Keep up with what's been effective, and let's focus on adding one key step to take your glow to the next level: boosting your skin's hydration. As we age, especially over 60, our skin loses moisture more easily, making it dry and prone to wrinkles. So after sipping your elixir in the morning, make hydration your priority. Start by gently splashing your face with lukewarm water to wake up your skin without stripping its natural oils. Then apply a fragrance-free, hydrating moisturizer. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides, which are gentle and lock in moisture all day. I recommend applying it while your skin is still slightly damp to seal in that hydration. My mom does this every morning, and her skin feels so soft. Avoid natural remedies like aloe vera or goat milk masks, as they can cause allergic reactions in some people, especially if your skin is sensitive. Stick to what you know works for you and prioritize keeping your skin plump and hydrated. Combining your trusted cream with this hydration step in the elixir will give you the best results. My mom's skin has never looked so radiant since she started focusing on moisture. Let's hydrate and glow together. That's all, friends. Your journey to glowing skin at 60 plus starts with the Golden Glow Elixir. This natural drink proves you don't need expensive creams to look and feel amazing. Just a few ingredients from your kitchen can transform your skin and health. My mom's confidence soared after trying this, and I know it can do the same for you. Share this video with a friend who needs a skincare boost and let me know in the comments. Are you joining the 7-day challenge? What's your favorite tip for staying radiant after 60? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more senior-friendly health secrets. Let's keep shining together. See you next time.